Yes, good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start a new topic of English grammar, that is sentences based on a given picture. Okay, student. So इसके अंदर in your examination a question is asked to form some sentences based on a given picture. Okay, student. So some words are also given along with picture to help the students. So you must take care of the following thing while describing the matter or scenes given in pictures. आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम के अंदर एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा जिसके अंदर आपको एक पिक्चर दी हुई होगी और उससे रिलेटेड आपको सम वर्ड्स दिए हुए होंगे जो उस वर्ड से आपको क्या करना है, सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं उस पिक्चर से रिलेटेड. Okay, student. Now let's start. So, student, firstly you have to know that the following things while describing the matter or scenes given in picture. So you have to remember these things. So first is here the description must be in present tense. जो भी आप लिखेंगे पिक्चर का, जो भी आप डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखेंगे वो किसमें होना चाहिए, प्रेजेंट टेंस में. The sentences should be small. जो आपकी जो sentences हैं वो small होनी चाहिए. The sentences should be based on words given in brackets along with pictures. Okay, student, remember that the sentences should be based on a words. जो आपको जो given words दिए हुए होंगे, आपके जो sentences हैं उसी पे ही base होने चाहिए. The sentences must be related with the scenes of picture. नेक्स्ट इज हियर जो भी आप जो राइट डाउन करेंगे, आप जो सेंटेंसेस वो किससे रिलेटेड होने चाहिए, सीन ऑफ पिक्चर. सो ऑलरेडी टेल यू दैट द पिक्चर्स आर आल्सो गिवन देयर इन द एग्जाम. Okay, number 5th is here the word limit must be kept under consideration while describing the picture. So आपको ये भी ध्यान में रखनी है कि आपकी जो word limit है वो कितनी होनी चाहिए. Okay, student, I hope you have understood. Now let's start our example of the sentence based on a given picture. So number 1 is here, look at the following picture, describe about it in a 8 sentences. Okay, now underline student, describe about it. आप कितने sentence में describe करना है, 8 sentence में. Okay, you may use the following words. So words are also given there and picture are also given there. Okay, so firstly you have to look this picture and after that you have to read the words. Okay, now you have to make a sentence related this picture and these words, so you can use these words in your sentences. Okay, student. So now this is my house. So firstly you have to write this is my house. This is a picture of a house, so you can write the sentence this is my house. Next sentence, this it is a big house, so we use as a big word, so it is a big house. Number 3rd is here, it has 3 bedrooms. So आपको ये खुद से ही आपके डिपेंड करता है कि आप वो सेंटेंस मेकिंग कैसे कर रहे हैं. So it has a 3 bedrooms, so we use a word bedroom, so we have make a sentence it has 3 bedrooms. Number 4th is here, it has a kitchen. Okay, you have to use the word kitchen. Number 5th is here, it has a drawing room. Number 6, there are tables, chairs and TV in the drawing room. Number 7th is here, it has a bathroom and a toilet. Okay, number 8 is here, I like to my house very much. Okay, student, I hope you have to understood the 8 sentences. Because the word is given in the help box, you have to use this as a house, as a big, as a bedroom. So we have to make a sentences related these words as a bedroom, as a kitchen, as a drawing room. So you have to write the 8 sentences because already given is there in the question, describe about it in 8 sentences. Okay, student, I hope you have understood the question number 1. Now move on the next question. Now look at the following picture, describe about it in 8 sentences. अब आपको पिक्चर को आपको देखना है और आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है. कितने डिस्क्राइब में, कितने सेंटेंसेस में, 8 sentences में. So you may use the following words. The words are given in the help box here, as a postman brings letters, bag, money, order. So you notice that when you read the helping words as a these words to make a sentence, you notice that it is a picture of a postman. Okay, now first One is here. This is the picture of a postman. ये किसकी picture है? Postman की. So we use a picture of a postman. We use a word as a postman from the help box. Okay. Now second, he is very useful. Okay, he is very useful. Now he brings letter to us. वो हमारे लिए क्या लेके आते हैं? Letters. Brings letters. Okay. Number fourth is here. He has a bag. So word from here. He has a bag. Number fifth is here. He keeps letters and money orders in it. So here he has a money and order. We use the word. He keeps letters and money orders in it. Number six is here. He works very hard. Okay. Number seven, he goes from door to door. Number eight is here, he is very honest. Okay, so we have completed the sentences related this picture. So students, you must remember you have to use these words in these sentences. So now next question is here. Look at the picture given below. Write 6 sentences with the help of these words. So students, you notice that in the question number 1 and 2, you see only a one picture in a question. So in the third question, you have to see the 4 picture. So 4 picture are given there. So you have to use 2 sentences from the one picture. ओके आपको एक जो पिक्चर दे रखी है उसी से रिलेटेड आपको 2 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं और हेल्पिंग बॉक्स में आपको वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, I have a pet cat. So here the picture of a cat. So here you write the I have a pet cat. I play with it. So मैं इसके साथ खेलता हूँ. So you write the 2 sentences related to this picture. After that, I have a bicycle. So here in the first image you can see yes I have a bicycle. The options are given there. So now number 4 is here. I love to ride it. मुझे इसे राइड करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बहुत ही पसंद है. So here also we use I love to ride. So bicycle and ride words are given there. So you have to make a sentence from these words. Okay student. Now, number 5, I live in a beautiful house. So आप किस हाउस में रहते हैं? Live in a beautiful house. So you have to make only 6 sentences. So you have to write only 5 sentences. I live in a beautiful house. So in the another image, so you can write the I swim in the swimming pool because the word is a swimming pool or swim. Okay. So we have completed the 6 sentences related these images. So student, I hope you have to understood in the examination. A question is asked to form some sentences based on a given picture. Okay, and some words also given along with the picture to help the student. Okay, so you have to write, you have to make a sentence from these words. Okay, student. Now student, our next topic is paragraph completion. So in our examination student, a question on paragraph completion is asked. Okay, in this question some words are given in the brackets. Okay, some blank space are left in the paragraph. These blank spaces are to be filled by choosing suitable words from the words given in the bracket. So for your practice, okay, so I'm giving you a question related to this paragraph completion. So now, so completion. So here we have to fill the words with the suitable words in the paragraph. हमको क्या करना है? Paragraph को क्या करना है? Completion means क्या है? Complete करना है इस paragraph को. Okay. So now, so you have to notice that question number 1. Develop a paragraph on Deepavali by filling in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. So student, firstly you have to read the question. So you have to notice that the main theme, main topic is given here as a Deepavali. So you have to understand these paragraph related to as a Deepavali. So now, and these examples and these words are given there also. Ramchandra, month, very, whitewashed lamps. So you have to read 2 or 3 times. After that, you have to write a suitable verse in the text. So now I'm starting. Deepavali is a dash important festival of the dash. It falls in the dash of Kartik. The word Deepavali is dash a row of lamps. On this day, Shri Dash returns to Ayodhya after exile of Dash years. People clean and dash their houses and shops on this Dash. They decorated them with Dash and toys. People buy Dash and crackers in the Dash. People worship Dash Lakshmi. So this फिलअप फॉर्म में आपको जो पैसेज है, जो आपका जो पैराग्राफ है, फिलअप फॉर्म में आपको दिया जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू फिल द these pillars, so you have to read the suitable words there. So firstly, after read the paragraph, so you have to read the helping words. So once again, Ramchandra, month, very, whitewash, lamp. So here you have to notice that you have to write a suitable word. So now I'm starting with the words. Deepavali is a very important festival of the Hindus. It falls in the month of Kartik. The word Deepavali means a row of lamps. So on this day, Sri Ramchandra returned to Ayodhya after the exile of 14 years. People clean and whitewash their houses and shops on this day. They decorated them with lamps and toys. People buy sweets and crackers. In the night, people worship goddess Lakshmi. So student, I hope you have to understood. So we have like the suitable words in the paragraph. So you have to practice it. Okay. Now take another example related to paragraph completion. So now next question is here. Develop a paragraph on my house while filling in the blanks with suitable words given in the bracket. So here you notice the topic is here my house. तो आपको पता चल गया ये जो आपके सामने जो paragraph होगा वो किससे related होगा, my house से related होगा, and also words are given there. Okay, so now let's start. We live in dash house. My house is very dash and dash. There are five dash. So we sleep dash. The bedroom there is dash. One is dash for guest. My mother dash food in the dash. There is a bathroom. There is a dash garden. Dash my house. I like dash house very much. So here we read the passage. Okay, so now you have to read the words once again behind small kitchen, my store, room, books. Okay, so now, so once you read this paragraph, after that you have to write the words. You have to write suitable words in the blanks. Okay, जो suitable words आपको सही लगते हैं आप उसको पहले आप पेंसिल पे आप नोट डाउन करेंगे. अगर सारा क्लियर हो जाता है तो आप सारा कंफ्यूजन क्लियर करेंगे. So now we start. We live in our house. Our house. My house is very big and beautiful. So we write the word big and beautiful. So after that, there are five rooms in it. We sleep in the bedroom. There is a storeroom. One room is for guests, and my mother cooks food in the kitchen. So there is a bathroom. So there is a small garden behind my house. I like my house very much. So student, I hope you have to understood the second paragraph. Okay. So now you notice that how can we complete the paragraph completion. हमने कैसे paragraph को complete किया है. Okay, so mostly main point is here that this question around paragraph completion is asked in your examination. So in this question some words are given in brackets. Okay, some blank spaces are left. Okay, some blank spaces are left in the paragraph. So these blank spaces are to be filled by choosing suitable words from the words given in the bracket. Student, I hope you have understood the paragraph completion. So today we covered the two topics as a sentence based on a given picture and a paragraph completion.